Hi, my name is Jennifer Orengo, and I'm the creator behind Jennae's DIY Studio. And today I'm gonna show you how to create this little bookmark. Since it's Valentine's Day coming soon, this is the one that has the heart and has a kind of change and kind of fringe over here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna watch the video before about doing the heart, and I'm gonna let the link down there below, and you're gonna end until you have this. Okay, you're not gonna pull the circle. Okay, so I'm gonna hit pause here and gonna show you. As you see here, I have finished the crochet heart, but I stopped here in my last change. Okay, so I didn't cut it off. So what I'm gonna do is gonna continue making chain stitches until I get the length that I want. Okay, so here I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this one is like for a little book. And if you want it longer, you can continue. Okay, so what do you do at the end is you're gonna cut it. So here I'm cutting it. And on this last one, you're gonna leave it like that because you're gonna cut. For this last part, you're gonna cut like 2 little pieces of yarn as long as you like. And what I do is I pass them through the last stitch, then I pull this one, then I have 5, and what I do is I just create a knot, and there it is, and then I just cut the fringe. So this part is finished. Now we need to finish the heart. What I do is pull the center, see, and when it's done, you just grab another hook and pull that rest yarn into the loops. You will pull it through, and then you will grab your scissors and cut the yarn. Okay, so here is the bookmark. As you see, it goes under my agenda. So this one I did it like it was like 25 chains for do it this long, but as you see, I can put it there, and the fringe is all on the bottom. Okay, hope this helps to do some tiny little presents for your friends. And if you want to learn some more little stitches and little projects, you can go to my playlist about Valentine's Day projects, and I have a few other tutorials that you can do with the heart too. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe, to give it a thumbs up, and share. Okay, so let me know in your comments below whatever you want to see on the next video, and see you in the next one. Bye.